Hey Jeff, it snowed. Boy did it snow. Chattanooga recorded officially from the weather station 21 inches. Hell, I don't even have any idea what we got here. I guess an inch or two more than that maybe. The trees don't have a lot of snow in them because the winds were so strong. It's Sunday now. Couldn't get out and show you any before this because it was snowing so bad. The winds were blowing, blizzard conditions they called it. Man, it's bad. We've been without power since Friday, about 11:30, something like that. I'll turn it off and go around and see if I can give you an idea how deep it is. Hey, I don't even know how to show you how deep it is. Everywhere I go I sink. It's up past my knees. Dogs have got it packed down pretty good in here. Some of them enjoy it. It's pretty packed down right through here. We'll walk out here and see if you can see anything. Got the Jeep started for a little while. Come here, Holly, give me that stick. They're kind of walking over it now. Poor old Jed, he was swimming in it earlier. We tried to walk down to BB's house. Well, we did walk down to BB's house, but it wasn't easy. Sun's out now, but not supposed to get above freezing. It's about 26, 28 something. My fish are dying. I'm pretty bummed out about that. I've done everything I can. Can't keep the house too warm because I'm afraid I'll run out of firewood. I'm going to try and call out on the phone in the truck. See you in a little while. The snow's up to Jed. I can't get the truck out of here. It's too deep. Well, I'm gonna go throw the birds some seed. I see the cat's trying to venture out a little. Feed everybody and try and stay warm. I wish you were here. I love you. Just like a picture, ain't it? See you later. Love you. Bye.